to make banana milkshake for male manpower. Get a banana. If it's a big banana, you need like 1. If they are medium, you need like 2. But these ones I used 3 because they were small bananas. Wash them. After that, you peel them. Like you see there. After peeling them, you cut them into small pieces and place them into a blender. So now I'm trying to peel them, then after that I will chop them into small pieces. You can see there, after that you put them into a blender and even add milk. You can add some 2 spoons of honey as well immediately, but for me I'll put it after I've just blended them. Yeah, you see they are now putting it into a blender. Then I will add milk, then I blend. That mixture will give your man, or as a man, it will give you more energy because this is a high energy food. It will help you, it will help the blood flow, and you will last long in bed. You can take 1 glass every day, or as you want. You can take it every day as a drink, or you can take it a few hours to go to bed with your loved one. Yeah, you see. So now I've blended it. That is the banana milkshake. It will really help you as a man. It is a natural Viagra. It's a natural Viagra. And you see, a banana is a common fruit. It's widely known and it's readily available. Thanks. Please subscribe.